COBIT 5 and IT risk management, a powerful combination. Understanding COBIT 5 in brief. COBIT 5, which stands for Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies, is a globally recognized framework developed by the ISACA to guide organizations in effectively managing and governing their information technology processes. Benefits of COBIT 5. It enhances IT governance by establishing a robust framework that ensures IT investments and actions are in harmony with business objectives and compliance requirements. COBIT 5 also plays a vital role in risk management, offering a structured approach to identify, assess, and mitigate IT-related risks. It aids in efficient resource allocation, enabling organizations to make informed decisions regarding IT investments. The critical role of IT risk management. IT risk management is a systematic and structured approach to identifying, assessing, mitigating, and monitoring IT-related risks. Its significance lies in its ability to proactively identify potential threats and vulnerabilities, allowing organizations to take preemptive action to reduce their impact. Protecting business assets. IT systems and digital assets are vital components of modern businesses. Safeguarding reputation. A data breach or security incident can have severe consequences for an organization's reputation. Regulatory compliance. Many industries are subject to stringent regulations related to data protection, privacy, and security. COBIT 5's approach to IT risk management. Understand business goals. First, know your organization's business objectives well. Set risk tolerance. Decide how much risk you're willing to accept to achieve your business goals, like setting a limit on a gain. Identify IT risks. Spot potential IT risks, such as cyber threats or software problems, just like noticing road obstacles. Respond to risks. Decide what to do about each risk. Avoid it, lessen its impact, transfer it, like getting insurance, or accept it, just as you choose to fix a pothole or take a different route. Report and follow rules. Share information about how you're handling risks with key people and stay in line with laws and standards. Benefits of integrating COBIT 5 with IT risk management. This integration creates a powerful synergy that enhances an organization's ability to identify, assess, mitigate, and monitor IT-related risks effectively. Business alignment. Aligns IT activities with what the organization wants to achieve, ensuring that IT supports business goals. Proactive risk management. Helps spot and address IT risks before they become big problems. Informed decision-making. Provides insights for smart decisions about IT investments and how to deal with risks. Regulatory compliance. Makes it easier to follow rules and regulations related to IT risk management. Efficient resource use. Helps allocate resources wisely by focusing on the most important risks. COBIT 5's framework for IT risk management. Identify risks. Find potential IT risks that could harm your organization, like cyber threats or data problems. Assess risks. Figure out how big each risk is and how likely it is to happen, so you know which ones need attention. Keep an eye out. Continuously watch for changes and risks and adjust your plans accordingly. Learn and get better. Keep learning from your experiences with risk management to do it even better next time. Practical implementation steps. Assign responsibilities. Appoint people to handle risk management tasks and make sure senior leaders support the process. Set risk limits. Decide how much risk your organization can accept for different types of IT activities. Spot risks. Identify potential IT risks using your team's knowledge and available data. Check risks. Evaluate each risk to see how big it is and how likely it is to happen, and then prioritize them. Keep records. Write down everything you do related to risk management. Challenges and considerations. One significant challenge is resource allocation, involving finding the right personnel and financial investments for risk management initiatives. Changing the organizational culture to prioritize risk management can be a formidable hurdle, as it requires strong leadership support and effective communication to instill the importance of risk management across all levels of the organization. Conclusion. In conclusion, COBIT 5's IT risk management framework offers organizations a structured and comprehensive approach to navigate the complex landscape of IT-related risks. While it brings substantial benefits such as enhanced alignment with business goals, proactive risk identification, and improved decision-making, it also presents various challenges and considerations. It empowers organizations to proactively identify and address risks, ultimately safeguarding their IT assets and ensuring their resilience in an ever-evolving digital landscape.